Hi, my name is Anna White. I just built this amazing rustic modern bed using some basic tools and some simple techniques and off-the-shelf lumber. In this video, I'm going to show you how. I love farmhouse beds, but this one's a little too modern for you. I just want to show you something real quick. This bed is basically our traditional farmhouse bed, missing a few pieces. So if you simply added 1x4 trim piece here and a 2x6 on top, you would have our standard farmhouse bed. I'll link those plans in the description too.
If you want to build this bed, the free plans are very detailed and are linked in the description. Everything in this build is very detailed out in the plans, including an exact cut list, where to drill all of the pocket holes, and the steps to go about building it. I used a Craig jig to drill all of my pocket holes on the 1.5 inch setting. Then I attached 2x4s to the 4x4 post using 2.5 inch pocket hole screws. For a nicer project, you definitely need to use the pocket holes. It's really hard to, one, attach to the 4x4 post, and two, to hide your joints and your screw holes like I did there. Now for the planking. First, I dry fit it by just laying it all out. Then I marked the centers and then marked the center of the first planking board, centered it up, and glued and nailed it in place. From there, I can just work outward. To fill in the final end pieces, I did rip the 1x8s down on a table saw for a perfect fit. I followed the same steps to build the headboard. After building, I filled all the exposed nail holes with wood filler and then sanded everything in the direction of the wood grain. Then I vacuumed all the sanding residue off and applied one coat of a stain. I also stained the footboard and the 2x8 side rails. I did not stain the 2x4 center support or the slats. For assembly, it's really nice to have a second person to help with holding the boards in place. We took the 2x8s and using pre-drilled 1.5 inch pocket holes, attached it to the footboard and the headboard. This is all detailed out in the plans. To support the mattress, we added 2x4 cleats on the inside of the 2x8. This is also tied into the 4x4 headboard legs for extra support. We also tied in the center 2x4 support into the footboard, and then just laid the slats on top and screwed it all down. This bed is extremely sturdy.
Okay, you watched me build it, now it's your turn. The free plans are linked in the description. We've got all sizes, twin, full, queen, king, and California king. This is a standard king. We've got all sizes for you, so you can build this in any size. Just promise me if you build it, you'll send in a photo. Thank you so much.